First, the material from this hopper into the bucket elevator and into the magnet selector. This part is function is to remove the metals from raw materials, and then the material into the combined cleaning machine. This combined cleaning machine removes the impurities. This part, please check. This part for remove the small impurities, and this part for remove stones. Let me check the third part. This complete cleaning machine. This part is for big impurities into this part and remove from the raw materials. Okay, let's introduce next equipment. This is the dampener. It is for the moisture the raw materials before into the peeling machine. This part can easily remove the maize peeling. This part is the temporary storage silo. This silo can keep about 10 to 20 minutes raw materials and keep damper and into peeling machine. This peeling machine we have two sides. From first peeling into the second peeling, you can remove the maize germ and bran and some small parts from this maize. And after peeling machine into the crusher. This is crusher. This crusher is for the crush the big size maize. After this, after crusher into the brusher to grinding some bran, and then use the paper into the next part for this roller machine. This roller machine is for this complete length, the milling part. This for maize grinding. Let's check this roller mill. This is a roller mill. The details, this roller and the brusher. We use the best quality. And this is a meter for can adjust the gaps of the rollers. One roller machine have two rollers. The first roller is for the big size of mice. After this first one into the brusher and can remove some bran and to get some small particles into the next grinder. The second grinder functions same as the first one, but this part is for small size grinding. And after second one into the brusher again, and remove some bran and get some small size flour. And the next part into the final grinding. This final grinding is can eat to get the flour can meet customer or demand. And after is grinding and into the next bran brusher. And this part is for bran packer. Bran packer is for this part can taking some animal feeds for bran. And this packer is for flour. The customer asks most final product from this one to output. Let's check some package. This is the complete maize milling machine, mainly equipment.